for a man in me and wait for me. I want to see whole and really stand up and wait for me. Must make me know me a good baby mother. Wait till you come.
My sister Shayna.
Falan, what your sister?
Me and you.
Erase that out of your mind.
And the day me and watch was in and say blood thick and water no mean say like a family blood, you know. Oh.
Me and you no blood.
Me not really see, me remember it real good. So you're right.
Me not have nothing to do with you. So
But that's how we are there and that's how we grow.
Yes, you know, say people on street would have deal with me better than how you deal with
I'm
me.
deal with you.
Let people on road call me sister. No call me no sister.
You see, I'm not boisterous and you're being boisterous to me.
I don't care what you want to say. Use any big word where you want to say, what you want to use. Any word where you want to use with bigger than your head, fall and use it. I don't give a damn.
You want to make something for your eat?
Make something for who? For your poison me? Me not
Why
trust
would
you.
I poison you? As much as me want you, I'm curry goat.
Remember, say me not trust you. Me not want nothing to eat from you in here. Not even to drink.
Them a go to Kenya me that cause star my blow. Hey, how is star my blow? Them a go to you know, sister. Go to reach up in a tree, you know. Me say sister, this time broke the zinc them back. No cow no defi move right now, you know. When last year one cow more on donkey bray.
What about no goat and no cow and no donkey? Falan, you know why me angry at you. So me not want to hear about them there's something there right now. You just a push up yourself for me man like what you feel, so me not want space too.
Take space then now.
What you mean take space when you not give me space? If a man come check me and you that in a miggle, if my phone ring and you in a miggle, everything we were in a miggle like an egg yolk.
We're blood, homie.
Falan, me I know nothing. I notice you they go on like say you want him and you know want him, Falan.
Me listening you.
Me say if I want you want him.
Me never say that.
No, it look like say
Me
you
never
want.
tell you that.
Girl, if you want him, I can take him.
I want to see all of me stand up and wait for a little change. One baby coming up. No, here. How am I so long? I don't have all day out here now. Hi baby daddy, what? There.
So baby.
Alright.
You alright?
Feel my kick.
You not kick your head?
A little bit.
Oh God.
Baby, I feel like a baby will feel you know.
Chosen, stop worry yourself no man. I just them thing they are worried about. I just want you keep healthy and make your baby healthy. You see me?
Tell that more.
Yeah. I want to go to clinic again, Chosen.
I want to go tomorrow. Okay, you know, make check and make sure say everything alright with the baby. Want a healthy bouncy baby.
Chosen, you want to go on now. JPS them assess all the damage them on the place. Seeing me kind of know a rough right now. Seeing, I'll give you a little thing, you know. Seeing, just pay for your to go to clinic, you see me?
Yeah.
I'll see what that can do for you, you see me?
Yeah, I mean make you know what I want.
Make sure you're not Chosen.
Yeah.
Make sure you're not rum and boom you go buy with that money, you know.
No, man, make sure say baby alright. I'm going to do that.
You see the money, more you spend it with care, you know.
Of
Because
course.
I don't really have no more, you know. It's the right thing, here.
But Nick, wait.
Oh,
Lock the
no.
door yet. I can't get back together for your sake, baby. I want the baby for raise with a father. I can't be one bother for no single.
Chosen, nobody go back this summer. You don't know a long road already.
So you can't let the girl and come back to me. Me never did good and everything alright for me and you.
Chosen, just
Come back,
cool
you all
down.
want to stress out the baby in idea. I don't
Chosen.
like the style they use.
What you talk about?
I want for the back. I miss my man. I want my man. I can't bother for there with the girl and know me alone a breed and I don't have nobody.
Me think about the Chosen. You hear about...
See, baby, Anna kick the youth. Oh, God. The baby want team father. And about the foolishness, man. Stop smell. Come here, you want me back in a show, man.
Hey, yeah,
This
go
say
on,
youth. Alright, then. But
Yeah.
think about it, sure.
Alright.
Remember to
Why?
Alright.
I don't know you. Why not easy, you know. Eh? You got some see with all man ready. Eh? I can't give man an answer story. I don't even know if you're the man there, but you want a relationship.
Hey, me tell you something. Me not take no blame and no play no game, you know. Oh, you come like you lick your head on the bedside.
You already they play the game, Falan.
No, sister. You lick your head side on the bedside.
Remember, you know, from the very first day when me come and you come talk about man and sheltering, me tell you say me I watch you, you know. Take the man, Falan, because you want the man.
Look here,
Yeah,
easy
yeah,
yourself.
no, sister.
Easy
Cut you
yourself.
off, girl.
Me say me never
If
tell
easy
you that.
myself,
I mean,
if easy myself, me say take him man, brother. Me no want him. Me even sorry the day me when meet him.
Let me tell you, I don't take Panadol for someone else's headache, you know.
Anything where if you even want to drink medicine for someone else, Eddie, I don't care.
Hey!
Falan, me not care. Anything I
You know, I
anything
said me
right
not
now.
drink Gramazone, you know. And take me and drink milk, try cure myself, you know, like the man around the road.
You already are drinking Gramazone yourself.
Oh.
From the day you dey push up on the boy, you know say me and him in a things Falan.
So we are moving up, we
Gramazone
are
can't
moving up,
drink.
on me, so
No,
where you want to
run fast.
No, start
Where
for the
you
pillar,
run
sister. Start for me.
No.
When it suffocation me.
You know no more talking and running up and down. Cause all your good first you grab your bag and run go out the door. Me just get this thing clear. You see, if you're not gonna give me space with the man, it reach to the point where me I tell you say, hey, the
It's
man,
alright, you will
me
see.
not want him follow.
I will
Cause me
show
see
you
where
what
this
a
a
cracker
go.
strike.
Me see where this a go.
She say, you sure?
If me sure, you ever see
You
me talk,
serious?
I got some anything where you see come out of my mouth, serious.
No, it look
You
like you
sure?
have somewhere but when people them have Africa where you saw where you talk about.
Make sure you
Oh,
don't have it.
malaria.
Stop touch me, not touch me,
You have
no, girl.
fever, sister?
Don't touch me.
You have
Aye. Falan, me broke off your nails them one in there, no touch me. If you want him and you take him,
You see?
leave me alone.
You,
Avoid
you
me.
look like you don't feel good.
Look like me not feel good. You soon know who not feel good, Falan.
So drink some
No,
water.
drink some water. You go want the water if you drink when me done with you. You hear you go want if you bathe. Remember say none of their pipes.
Come, like go.
Don't touch me. Falan, don't touch me. Do your next best.
Sister,
Avoid me.
you don't want him?
Me done with you.
You don't want him? No.
Look here, listen me good. Me done with you. And me done with Nick. Me no want sing on that uno, me no want hear
You're
that
mad
uno.
out. You,
Hey,
you're
come
mad
on.
now.
Come like you want me to cuss bad word or something.
Mad go and cry if you're mad. You better for me if you take him.
Don't chat with you no cause it
May I
come
take him in now?
No, stick back off in your ears. Take him. Do your next best.
I want to see me and him not tell nobody ramp
Do
with me
your
now.
next best, Falan. The time not come yet when me fi see on him because you not even accept him yet. So do
No.
your next best. Take him.
A she
And you want
brave
him.
or a me brave?
Come talk about who brave. Me no stand down with no man.
Where word?
About sister. Me I have nothing.
You serious?
Cut you off.
You look
now,
nervous.
yeah, not touch me. Falan.
Sister, lie down. Your heart don't bother you. Sister, lie
You don't
down.
want strong
Remember, some mommy say you're sick from your barn. You don't.
Me go put your feel lie down.
Brother, Phil, what go on with that? Go on here, man.
Over there, go and
Sure, man.
clean up, you know?
Pick up a second, for them you see. So things,
Things alright, man.
give thanks and praise. So boy,
Why you know say you gone a shop? Say you gone buy some little things, you know?
what thing good with him now though?
Yeah, man, he alright, man.
He look like him a do what's right, I know.
I'm just glad he find one girl who genuinely care for him, you understand?
Yeah.
So, my mind can be at peace, you understand?
Oh, so you say brother, you plan to push out then?
Why? Smart, you know.
Look like a that you plan to do.
I think about it, man. Right now.
So hold on, you went to the youth already?
You know, so I'm not tell him.
A matter of fact, me I say youth and a big man, you know, can grow up, you know.
Yeah, man, a big man, I know.
Yeah, man, he grew up, you know, man.
I soon tell him, man, in the right timing, you know.
Alright. You know, I get to understand.
Mm.
Father day you come, seeing,
Yeah.
and you're there and your boy there, so I know me know you don't get all a good reasoning, you know. You see me I say? Cause
Yeah, man.
towards me, as far as me see it,
Yeah.
I just fracture me see my chase, you see me? And I end the idea, brother. You a man, remember say you no stay at them place for too long, you know. You could have soon
Yeah.
push out back, you know. You see me?
know some man.
Yeah, man. That me I tell you, see me?
Yeah.
And I end the idea, me I say, boy, you know, to know a business more than that. You see me? So you are going, brother. Me and him, we want bag of have a drink and then you can reason with him about life. You see me I say? Because you want if I nothing with it, to help run part of business with him. You see me I say? And show him what's right. You see me? You know? You know me?
Say, a real mate that, you know, a real mate, you see me?
Call him now. Yeah. Pick up.
Give me this. Hey girl, what you do? Where you get your number from?
Man, you break my nail, you know.
Me say where you get your number from,
Hey.
Falan?
No push me.
No,
on
you
left,
no,
man.
you growings, me tie up your hey, man, me tie up your Falan, see your dial 1876 and 3 and a 3 starting number. Where you get your number from?
Girl, I'm say me the access
No.
to your number, me open the phone. Just on next year.
You couldn't ask me for no
Take him and take him. You see
And that you didn't want to hear enough. And test you, girl. Watch me, you. What you do to me for making her open?
You know, you make what jump off my head, jump on shoulder, Shayna. What you want to do it two man one time? You're too greedy. Woman, look at your crave for. That's why you lose.
Look here, me lose out on Chapla because of you.
Everything on me.
And me not gonna lose out on this year 1 year because of you.
You must not have me for
True, me
blame.
a talk about take him is sweet, yeah. Watch her go on.
So if it's
and
sour
me
me?
make sure say,
I don't want a
me,
thing for sour
after
me.
I'm gonna change in chip.
I don't want that
You
thing
see,
for bitter
after
me.
today, girl, you're not see but me what you call your sister, neither him.
So me can move
Watch her
him.
go on. No, watch her go on.
Me I move him right
Me
in
a
here.
move out, left you are far away from your so too.
Long as him come here, me good.
Hello?
Hello, what's up?
Babes, which part you there?
You know, some down on the road I deal with someone and two little things. What problem? You alright?
Yeah man, everything good. I know someone you come pick me up like right now.
Eh,
I don't
That's
care.
no
I'm
problem.
not take time talk.
but you know, my kind of deal.
Big bad and brave, girl. Do what you want to do.
Which part down on the road there?
Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now.
Which
Touch
part?
a button now.
You know what
My linking up different from yours.
Outside Browning Bar. You know what I lane there?
Oh, yes, yes.
Arrangement, but just pull up.
Yeah, you can't just give me a link. Just like
A Mercedes Benz, so that me I tell you.
You can't explain
Drop
over the
top.
phone.
Alright, may I come right
One
away.
way I go shall hide you.
Okay, take
Alright.
your time, baby. Yeah.
Alright, babes. Love you, yeah, babes.
Alright, love you.
How we love I go? One big rock stone stumble down one hill.
You hear that? You hear that?
Girl, go on.
Later for you in a
Walk
phone.
past
I
me
might
now.
bust your head with your
Walk
phone
past me,
too.
but not touch
You
me.
want a piece of phone, because I don't know who you go call when me left and try. Don't dial this number. And if me ever see about you making mistake and boy you come cut. Look here, you don't chat in a phone. I'm left in your sock. I'm not
You don't left nothing. Everything that's up
Any
man.
little clothes that me have, you can take them, come and go on them
Me
again.
no wear poopy.
Why you don't want, you can
Me no
burn
wear
them.
poopy now. Rich man I do it. Rich man I do it.
You're in here, they talk about rich man. You're in here, they talk about when you get rich man. When you get rich.
Hey girl, I think something I rough with you. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl, man, I broke my finger here. You know, girl. Hey girl. Why?
Yeah, take it. Don't know that girl. You little bitch about your wife, man. Me have no sister.
So, we can't get there sitting here, you know. Call this one here, you know. Can you understand what I go on right now when I'm to know? Anybody feel say me I get left. I'm not getting thrown under no bus. I've been walking around now like a chicken with a head cut off. Hello.
Yeah, where you see now?
My sister said she left you, you know. My sister said she left you. My sister said she left you, I'm if I take you. Me I take you for sure. I'm been taking in you.
Your sister can't left me because it don't know.
Which part you there? Which part you there? Where are you? Where you at?
That's cool, man. My sister just come out for the phone. I mean, her.
Me know about that. Me know about that.
Fallon,
Me want to see you also.
Fallon, we have to go put her for one. A good time.
I'm in the bar work business. I don't know week on, week off this year.
Fallon, remember, she person and a you the school.
It's not today, tomorrow, or never, you know. It's today, tomorrow, and forever.
Just give me a little time, man. After me finish link up with her, me just see if me can call you.
And me I pretend like me not hear that, but me I pretend like me not hear it because me not depend on waiting for you and them something there. So me just have a browse.
You know, say you get obsessed too much, man. It come like you love.
Do what you do and forward. You a come or me a come?
Cheer.
Tell me where you there so me can come, or you come when me there.
Fallon, me soon call you.
And that a go on a question me I ask, you know.
Hey, Fallon, me just don't like how you're ignorant, you know. You're obsessed over it something too much.
Look here.
You know,
Just make sure say a reason alone and not a reason, you know. And that's it. Period.
Fallon, remember, say me tell you, say say I'm going to make you go in at the bank book, you know, half and half to go split. What is wrong with your father?
Alright, link up and then. Link up and make sure you see you come here. Don't make me ring you. Don't make me ring you.
Alright, but you know what's going on. You can't do call me, you know. Me will do it calling, you see me?
You come here again, I remember say stress upon my brain. Remember
Me
you
stress
want
too, you
to-
stress me. You is the stress that's stressing me. You is the stress that's stressing me and stressing the stress out of me.
Follow, remember, you know, man. Remember say one of my house mash up a river garden tree.
Come, me be your host stop. I will be your host stop. I will be your zinc on your nail. I will be, come, I won't be a flooring because you're not walking on me. Come, just do what you have to do.
I'll let you know what's going to take.
Okay, okay. That's what I have to do. Tell me what I want to hear and make sure it happens.
Okay,
Oh,
I love you.
come here, woman. Me no patient man for ride donkey. Know that. Okay, love.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Yes. So you don't love him. Yeah, and because me love him, me a body up so.
Alright, yes.
Hang up, my hand busy.
You know I love her. Yes, sir, I love her.
Yes. Alright, see you.
But I'm not easy.
Go look close something to eat and cause me now cut some crack on hungry belly. And she lick out everything out of me.
You know, so me I go pick up Shayna before she feeds me now forward talk. It's a journey, you know, easy, you know.
Let me girl get a piece of money. You take out slow type because your sister not true really to, you know. Put myself first. I go buy your sister out of my money, but I go to your still. I give her some money.
Go on, wait for me right as well.
Balan! And I think Brad Pitt's sister over there. But I don't know what I'd really have against me, you know. But yeah, still my friend still. Balan! What go on?
Watch you.
What more? There, one girl still enough. It's a girl, what girl?
Why they here?
What?
Me there chosen. Alright.
Yeah, girl. Me have good news for you, girl.
Tell me the good news.
Girl, the boy give me one piece of money.
You get the money.
Yeah, because remember say, you know, say when woman pregnant, I mean, I pretend that I'm pregnant.
What?
Yeah, you have to go to check up and all type of things. Girl.
Eh?
You want a little
Greens.
piece, Yeah.
Or
No,
brace your brace goat.
Yeah, but wait, me have to give me girl one little piece of something.
If you
you
drink,
know.
you should have drink one whole of ice water.
Me dear, make my belly wet.
You see, if you did a drink guy pipe and drink some of the chlorine.
Girl, no say 40, this a feel, girl. No say 40. Don't worry yourself. Me know me have to get more money from him, so me make you a good girl. Come and say enough appointment, enough pretend.
Oi.
Pretend appointment.
Right now, me believe in you. When you chop your line bigger, you remember me, you know.
But girl, me just tell her, me just walk me look at the boy and catch on to nothing. Now the boy
He
just
can't
all
catch
over
on to
his face,
nothing.
but he not smart, an idiot anyways.
Into Gigi, into uppity too.
I remember saying take me for idiot.
Collect same way, brace.
Remember say the
Next time
boy
wear
just
jumper.
left me, girl.
Wear one jumper. Wear one jumper.
Chucky belly so.
Yes, wear one
Okay,
jumper. You
okay,
see,
okay,
jumper
okay.
bend so. One time, me and one friend, you know, she wear jumper and collect the policeman money, but she did breathing still. For your situation, are you different? No.
Because me not breathe,
You
me
not
pretend.
breathe at all. You have got drink to water, ice water, me say, and puff your lungs.
Girl, me a ride the wave as much as me can ride it. Because I say boy do me dirty. The boy will drop me look book
Well,
like a hot
make sure you
bread.
send a surfboard because you want big wave, we blick you.
Girl, me a collect all the money me can collect.
How you mean? Chop him. Left,
Girl,
right,
me
and
not
center.
stop chopping. I'm not left you my friend. I'm going to say you're my friend. You know,
Don't
girl.
left me on for true.
I'm him say, hey, I made that down
Lick
in
it till
my
it bend, me
backbone.
say. Or you get to just remember me. Don't left me out
I'm
of
your friend and I'm in this together. I'm say I'm a good advisor.
Yeah.
But girl, I say, boy,
Secretary.
hurt me, you know? Yeah, but remember, say, the boy hurt
Treasurer.
my friend. Remember, the boy good hurt me. I say, me the boy have
I'm
nothing.
this, yo.
Yeah, and he
Take what
gone
you
to your
can get
sister.
while it's there. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
No worry about my sister.
And me, what you mean?
Leave my sister out of
I have
that.
up the boy, and every money when I have to spend, I have to spend it.
And if he find out say you don't have no baby in the belly there, tell him say you had a miscarriage.
Don't ask your friend, come here and say, what did you find out?
Tell him say you had a miscarriage.
Just like that.
Miscarriage. Honey, it fell out. It slipped.
Yeah.
It fell.
Yeah,
It
come
slide.
stress out over the things that we do. I'm
Yes.
do it again.
You drop on your belly,
Yeah, even though
boop,
me
and
no
it push
dead.
out, pop, gone.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, cemetery.
But girl, remember, so many people in a plan, peace and line. So I go up my business.
Don't worry about my people. You just worry about that. I say, I'm here there, say, you know.
Yeah, but wait, remember, so we have to play the song.
Yeah, even my sister come and say, me don't make my sister flatter you. Yeah, me better flatter you road.
Listen to me, I come go, but me make you know what I want. Remember, so we in this together.
Don't worry about my sister, man. My sister
nah.
alright. I tell you already. The young thing me tell you say, if over here some sister about can beat you, me try help you, but if I road, sister beat you, better she beat you on road out there so.
But now,
They for your own.
friend, but all about the money.
Yeah, just get the money. Give me some more money, my sister will beat you. Anyway, she say she can't touch you. Remember that girl. Everybody on now left in touch. See how much money you give me. So get a bit to make sure say. Take there. No, sir, can I jump change this year? No, sir, after me no poor kid. After me no want to buy 8 ball. Hey, Chosen! Chosen!
What's that?
I don't want this out there. I don't want that. Get them in.
Falan, stop
Don't
it.
leave me.
Falan, stop it, man.
Can I jump
Falan,
change
so we run a
this?
program and all people out business. Where you going to Falan? Falan, you love money too much. Remember, say your sister, man, you know. And then I did my man.
Hey, everything you come call up, my sister,
everything.
everything. Don't worry about that. I tell you, me have that under control.
I'm tell you, say I run a little program and I share the thing with you. Stop going so, brother.
Can make me better though?
You love money too much and that's why. You run come with ways to excitement.
how much you get?
Find out what business. I tell you, say a little bit of money. I must have to buy.
You just say a little bit, you not see how much.
Falan, I must have to buy pretend baby clothes. You think me can tell the man to me I go
Get some puppy in a clothes or some.
No, they have to look new with tag pan them. I still have to buy little things to show like the thing real, brother. You can't see it so girl.
Buy one of the sticker, one of the something them where them put pan the can them at the store.
Hello.
We print and put the orange stick and put right panny how much money.
Falan, stop it.
And tell
Falan, I don't know heap of money. Anytime I get the next money, me and get the next money back.
alright.
Stop going to the money, man.
Me nah.
Get money for your sister. You have to buy
If you tell me one more time, you see me mash up your business.
Yeah, man. Remember, I said it's my man first, but that one business.
Hey, me
You
mash
give
up
more
this
money.
now.
You love money too much. Love money too much,
You know
friend.
me now mash up your money out for
Yeah,
me
you love
now.
money too much. Later.
You deal with me Russian, you know, you. Hey, so, my lover boy, I get chosen money. And Shane, I gonna look for him. How me I gonna deal with this? Hey, me not get left back, you know. And that me I tell them. Just wait.
Alright, I'll see you then. What's up? How things? You just call me out of blue, so what's up?
You're not supposed to can call you anytime with a blues already.
Oh God, you're looking wonderful.
Fine.
Yeah, sister, I don't quarrel, sister.
We get to that at a later day, but how you feel know if I quarrel and my sister quarrel? Why you asking that?
You wanna true remember yesterday? Two and one almost kill off one another. I mean, I know what God send me come.
Yesterday and today are two different days, but
So you bring for me.
you bring myself here.
I'm not look for myself already.
I want to talk to you first, because I'm not sure about that part.
I'm about one now.
I whole heap of things concerning my sister also. So me come at peace, but right now my mind is really secure. And it's all because of you too.
It sounds serious, so better you start right now before we go nowhere.
Alright, listen. Me and my sister have one little argument. And even your phone number, me realize say, my sister have. Because listen before you jump at anything, you know. Listen what me I say clearly. Me just draw one little card for my sister. And make she know say, alright, me no want the man. If you want the man, take the man. My sister was so anxious to take up her phone and chop 10 and I dial your number.
My number, where she get it?
You can't ask me that.
I wonder if
You
I do
can't
when time she beg me a call.
You fi act Nollywood movie. You're a star. You're a superstar. I wonder how you is just a rich
I
man.
remember
I wonder
how
how
I
you...
get my number. Mine out a year phone she take it.
Falan no take Fallon don't take your number out of my phone.
Well, me not give her my
Fallon
number.
know the number in her head. She dial 1876 and she even dial the 3 where start your number. Look here, my sister give me more and more reason to suspect things, and even you too. Me not trust you no.
Suspect me for what?
Look here.
You would talk too much, make your sister hear the good things them what they go on.
So allow me I tell them. Allow me everything.
I mean, if
you know
I lie.
what? It's alright, everything good.
So
Me nah
what
go-
is for?
me nah go- me
Where
nah-
you going?
Look here, me not go work with this. Everything good enough, me just
So hold on. You just pulse like you see a ghost. So what happened?
I no time for that right now in a different thing me I talk about. And you know where all of this a come from. So that's why me just come go on back.
Me no like how you
And
move
say
so
what
jealous,
me-
you know.
Me have all reason for you move so jealous.
Your sister, you can't
Don't
move
chat
so
me
jealous.
in the forehead, man.
What me your sister
Look here,
can't
you know sister, take with sister, man. I mean, I can't about that.
bother with that, man. Me and your sister could have never planned peace line. Your sister, me no like her. So me and her couldn't work out with
Well,
her.
me, I make you know right now, say, it's either or either. I am not comfortable with one whole heap of bag of things. So listen now.
You know, I want your problem. You're too jealous. You must not so jealous, man. Eh?
So me wonder why
I
you...
want like a bracelet to make your sister you the car belly for. Eh? You mustn't do it, man.
Key, you know? Your
You
son
mustn't do
half
it,
key,
man.
your son unfair. You know your son like it up on my sister's side. And me did come to make you know, say, me not really move in with you at this point, but to all your son.
No, but
Because
yeah,
honestly, me not happy around a yard with my sister. Me feel like I have things that go on behind my back. When me there wish party there, 24/7, well at least me can know, say, even though you still can't screech where go do your
you
thing.
can't worry yourself,
Well,
so man. Me make you come up
So-
by a mansion, but watch you know. Me have some
on.
things I deal with, man. Some business, you know, really done it. You see me? I mean, know you love money, you know. So watch you know. Just make me crush up a business. Link me, me make you link me.
I don't want to use no money against me because me ain't in no money argument nor
I
no
know
money
you remember say
bangarang.
me a businessman, me
Because-
have to deal with the
Yeah, so right now at
Give me
this
a little
point,
more
me don't want
time,
to tell me about your money because of my heart, me a talk about. You and my sister, they move away and me don't want to get hurt in the midst
Watch
of
you know,
this.
me know why you drop down. You know when we
Everything-
go to, we go somewhere, go chill out there, and we can reason more about this. See? Because me no like how you go on, you know. You know if you're so jealous. Here, babes, your sister, you must stop it. You see me?
You know, me have a reason for jealous because guess what, me love you. But you see, true, you don't love me. You look like I'm my sister you love. You can't jealous over me. You can't sit or hear what me
I'm
I
going in
say.
the bus. I'm going in the bus.
And
You
you
see?
took me in a bus.
Go on in the bus. You go somewhere, go chill out, and have a drink. Here, and calm in your brain. Right? You don't know what work. What's wrong with you? You and your sister, all of a sudden, you and your sister war, eh? And then they tell me, yeah, how you for the war, eh?
I don't tell her
Me and your
married,
sister
you
no
know.
in nothing, so I just stop me and tell you, we go have a drink.
I want me career up and ditch her, you know. Just ditch Shayna. You know one go like mango. Oh, you brown, me black. I'm the chocolate for you. In your caramel. Alright, me will give them some time. Me give them a little bit of time. Can you ask me, so me I go do just because you ask me, so you know, make me I do it.
Alright, beautiful. Can I get something from a princess place? One of them nice donut there.
What's wrong with you?
Should I them donut there, baby? Sure, man. I move so
No, I don't want the
shy.
red jelly.
The red jelly. The red
No,
jelly I
too
like.
much sweet cream.
Alright, give me two of them here, cause I now make a drop boop and me drop kick.
So you have to eat too?
Eh? No, me I consume and I donut. Still I put it to pull it in the water. You know.
Ox or feet then?
No, I want another type of money. You know what I mean?
Probably have 10 years. Thank you.
How much is it? No, not more.
Mama, I'm alright. I'm not eating more. Still.
You got water. You got water. You don't need no water. Two water.
Yeah,
You got
get
too
more
sweet,
cold
man.
water. Really water, we cool me
Yeah,
down.
man. Right. Really cool and nice, man. What you plan to spend the rest of your day now?
You know, I just want to plan for chill out, but as a matter of fact, you bring me come in at place here, so like, I never really in a eating mood in a
No, we just make a random stop, you know we think already.
But to the mood and the vibes I'm in the pan, I don't want nothing to eat.
You understand, but we ain't really too in a mood neither, you know.
You know that better if we can go somewhere we can sit down nice, look out in the ocean, you know, just watching nature. And just one quiet place.
Oh, you know, say a good free, but remember, you know, man, remember say me is a busy man, you know. Right now, amount of work for me have to do right now.
You're
Right?
always busy.
Hey, baby, I'm not telling you no lie. I took the phone, go down and I bust the rig, you know. You know.
Look here, you always have business at you. I wonder how none of your business them not spoiled.
As we dey talk, me have to go.
You want to just drop
You
me
want
off back.
Don't let me back round for the block. It come like you read up what go on. You know.
Yeah, because you always on the go.
Yeah, me have business to take care of, man. Whole heap of business. Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
Lato!
What go on, believe you?
There.
You know, so I just want to check you. I mean, your daddy there, they will raise me, you know.
Go by sitting on the road, man. I don't
Yeah.
know people think you know good.
So far, we are give
Think
thanks.
good, man. We read a rich
So,
man.
you know, go on. You know, so more me and your daddy go to work, I will drink one part and will raise
Drink
for
away.
life. I don't want them bad, you know.
I go too far, man. I'm going to run the road.
I am a boy.
Alright, now put on him and come. Yeah.
Man, you know, a boy again. You see it?
Don't move him, you
Don't
come.
move me there,
Go
man.
on and come, man.
I mean, man, you grew up, you know. Yeah,
The
man,
man
glad
tall
to see
and-
my brother, man. I mean, man, I see man all thick on me. Eh? I mean, man.
How are you there, man?
Chappy!
Must have come by now.
Me a come, man. Me a come. You ready?
I mean, man.
I first me will drink to my father.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I mean, you know. I don't want to growing up on man stage. So when you get a man stage, you drink liquor. You know?
Yeah, man, long time for me to go a road, you know, man.
Yeah, when you, man, when you grow up, what's the matter, man?
Me know me hear one sound. Me know a sound I'm busting out sound like I feel him. Yes, no see I you can't miss me this time. Love of my life.
Where she a go?
Don't ask General anything. You're gonna look for one of my friend. Oh, you can't deal with mastermind like that. No.
You can't tell me that. They come on to Christmas. Let me have my Christmas money. Not even by the phone. Come, no, come on, this.
Let-
No, no.
You can't get everything.
Everything you want. Be sure everything now not no shop. Get the ring.
Alright. Alright, later.
Here and nails and everything want to start out to Christmas.
Yeah, man, straight over here for going up.
Make sure say your business what you say you go deal with. You go do.
You watch me and you. Then I left me today.
Take care, all of my money.
Oh, you have to try down. Then I left me. Go. Up it. You think you left me? Where you go? Oh, come open the door. Come in not opening it.
Hey, follow me, I like how you
You
go.
see, you dive, you have to dive in a while
Hey,
ago.
you see, I don't want to talk to you about.
Nah, hey. I'm not going for a suicide mission, you know.
Hey, follow me, I go stop Peter saying it.
Just forget with you, me have to try to commit suicide.
Okay, I go up and come out. Then
Well, me on.
we're going to left something.
Well, man, like I do time.
Alright, baby, you know if you go and say no.
Yeah.
What's up? Sit down right there, so I'm going.
You're gonna get like.
Yeah, what you need? What
I
you
just
need?
threw out this far, you know.
Okay, what?
Ask her if she have any blended fruit punch. Cause I'm on a date.
Alright.
Okay, just anything you're getting for yourself, just get it for me.
Okay, I will. Jesus Christ. Bartender.
What's up?
Get to Appleton 62 special for me and my friend there, man. Because she have one of big blended fruits.
What's up?
Oh, you said.
Of course, a nice girl. Nothing wrong with that.
Nice girl, yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
But a girl up on the list right now, I'm confused, you know.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man. I don't tell you all that.
But I said I have none still right now. There?
That's it. Okay. Tell her I say this out, you know?
Okay. Need ice?
Hold on there. Babes, you need ice?
No.
Okay, no ice.
Okay.
So, man, can deal with that?
Ain't a good girl, should have been a good date.
Sure, man, good.
Alright, there you go.
Now, just weigh my options.
You have to do it right, you know?
Oh, babes, I'm not have no blended what you call it, you know, this we get, you know.
So how your one look enough for than my own?
What?
Throw some in it. And she didn't have any chalk cup.
No, she don't have that one today.
Cheers. What kind of crave man you be?
Sorry, baby. Sorry. Cheers.
Yes, you have to bless it and give thanks
Yeah,
to
man.
good life and more money. And you think I don't hear her in there
Doing what?
telling her I am your friend? You tell her I'm your soon to be wife.
Yeah, just cool, no, man. I slip my
Just
mouth,
not on
slip.
paper yet and ring on finger.
Slip my mouth, slip, man.
Slip, next time you're going to slide.
True, me just confused, you know.
I wish you could stay on this date forever.
I'm confused, man. God, I don't know, you know.
What you confused with? I am not confused, you know.
You and your sister.
You and her is confused, not me. I know what I want and I know what I want to do and what I'm going to do and what I'm doing. What was you and her talking about me?
No, it's
She
not.
called my name?
No.
She said anything about me?
No,
She
baby.
maybe said you don't want to tell me.
No, I wouldn't do that.
I'm already upset.
No, man, just calm down, no, man. She not say nothing bad.
You like my braids?
Yeah, man, you look nice, man. Me not tell no lie. You come out.
Yes.
You see me? Me not say you look hotter than your sister still, but...
Hey, watch your mouth, you know.
Come on.
I thought you make your mouth say.
No, but... Don't worry yourself, baby. You look good, man. You always look good.
Don't do that. I will cancel all that. I will cancel this relationship.
No, baby, don't do that. Don't do that. You don't have to do that. Why you have to do that or say that? And
Just
you,
because you know I'm not going to do that, you know.
But you have my heartbeat, you know.
And all the not threatening you, you don't believe me. But you think you have me wrapped right around your finger?
Baby, remember say you have my heartbeat. Don't worry. You see the diamond on your hand? I'm gonna buy a 15 million diamond.
Big fat one.
Yes.
Yes.
I have an offshore account I want to give you.
No, and I hear the men giving the wives and bank black cards now. I don't want the red one or the gold one. I want the black card.
No, I have a platinum one for you.
No, black card.
Black card?
Yes. Like in Dubai.
Dubai?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, man, you see me get yard. Yeah.
When you're much younger, you stay, you know. You like, you know.
You too rich, I bar, you know.
Yeah, man.
Too rich, man.
Yeah, no, yeah.
And all these things in your life will change, you know.
I'm buying one of them Samsung S25 there, you know. Yeah, come on.
An iPhone 18 I want.
18.
Yes, me here today had a big phone there.
Yeah, Samsung, them one that can zoom go to the moon.
Bar, crowd it.
Yeah, man. You have to take picture on them phone, them and they zoom to
I want to play you.
Believe me, man. I tell you. Clean. Yeah, man.
Blessing.
Take picture of
Princess.
us.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, so far.
Thing go good.
How I want it.
Murder she
You want thorough? Yeah.
What?
Yo.
Not murder she wrote. You of course. There was two
There you go.
So that's kind of like
What can I
one
know?
tap over.
No, man, I roam one.
You say one on top over me.
Yo.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, Rosie, your family. Me, your girlfriend.
I know. Fresh. Yeah, one liter. Come in.
I'm going to pay make nice here. No, look, you know.
Yo, wait, terrible there.
Yeah, but.
Then dirty man, you face them. Like them, I like how they
Yo.
back up in here. And so when I with the head shape like a four corner, you should not see him.
I like energy on the scene. No, I don't like him either. I see your uncle there.
How far there?
No, like,
Choppy.
Who mean, man?
Yo, chop lad. Boy, they mess with your girl, you know. You see me, I say, I good know what the next girl I'm looking on. You see me, I stammer dog. Yo, you should have go over there, go kick down the boy, you know.
Yo, I know say Shayna sister.
Me no know her, sister. Yo,
Shayna sister that.
you sure say Shayna sister?
Shayna big sister that. Yes.
Yo, so me never know that. Oh, you never
Remember
know
say
that.
now go know.
Good girl.
Me never cut. Yo, brother, I man take. Yo,
remember say me move on.
yo, I that the man. Yo, I that the man take away your good girl.
Listen, I know my.
Yo, come and fight the boy. I'm a tough. Yo, come on, man.
No, we go about this.
I know my.
Yo, brother, when we go over there, go kick down the boy. You can't make a man take your good girl.
So why you that fight somebody?
I mean, me that fight for you, me nephew. The boy should take away your girl.
Right now, that don't really matter me, cause right now, me and Brittany get back together.
For real, me nephew?
Yes.
I feel like... What a wicked... I really fell on that there. So what fell on that Nick do this so youth. I said that's why I can't trust friend in a youth. I call that girl. I really want to hear it because I want to know what kind of friend it is. Why and it looks so cozy, sit down a bar and drink from a door. I what can go so?
Right around. Right around.
Yeah, just baptize me with the ears, baby.
You are mine.
Baptize
And mine forever.
Alright. How does that call you?
Wait.
Now, babes.
Hello? Give me a second. Hello? Girl, I'm a wicked weird. You know, girl, me there one place right now. Me can't come with you there. Will you stay see me?
Babes, how that pan phone?
What a wicked girl be Fallon, come here. No, Fallon, come here. Come here, Fallon, me see you, come here.
Honey, who is that?
My friend called me, say she see me, and I bad me up.
Hang up the phone, man.
Me don't understand why she a go on so.
Tell her say your man is here.
Me and my man there so girl, I go and chill out and something. So me don't know how you see me and I go on bad.
You're not good friend, you come here.
This girl come like a CIB. What should they spy me out for? She a what?
Walk come straight up the road, come and see you.
Chosen, we are there so really.
No bother with him. Me your friend or me your friend. Me walk one for the.
Me your friend Chosen, friend to the end like Chucky.
Walk one over there so Fallon. Fallon walk one over there so. What you Nick do over there so? Fallon Nick no me baby father.
Which be?
Fallon Nick no me baby father.
Nick. Chosen, me say no really a breed. Chosen, remember say no really a breed.
No your sister man. No your sister man. Fallon no make you stay so you know something like your style.
Chosen.
Dirty ways boy you Fallon.
Look here, this is a big triangle.
Walk one over there so friend. Tell me
your
friend,
baby come
friend.
would have met square and the baby is not available. And
Fallon.
just as the daddy is not available.
Fallon, this don't look good. You need to stop this.
Chosen, I'm sorry, but I just
I know how you stay.
we were just chilling. We were just chilling.
Fallon, you can't trick me. Fallon, remember somebody tell this not gonna work out well here. This not gonna turn out good.
Girl.
You do your big one, Fallon. Fallon, this not look good.
Watch
Me
me.
your friend.
Me and you mash up now because of that.
Me
And
no
you
want
know
no
you did
friend.
a run rocket.
Me no want a friendship for you. Friendship done too. Me no bother want a friendship. You're not good friend, Fallon. You're not good friend. This don't look good.
So when you woulda need enemy when you have me?
So Fallon, the money you love so or what? So what could I really cause this as a friend?
The cheddar.
It not go end well, Fallon. Fallon, me go me yard, you know, because I don't want the man to me. It not go end well. Remember me did tell you.
What you did a pass already? Why you not just come?
No, everything good.
We can't change the subject and tell me you're your friend. It's a girl not easy. She out to order. Me have to own up that man there right now. Cause you look like said the two girls them run hard. I mean I forget him. I'm my man. And I just say done. And that me I try to show you. I'm go burn a candle for you. Oh my god.
How trouble you? Calm down yourself, babes, man. Come in like how you are.
Can't bother with them style more while.
What kind of lame style that me see about
What
this?
about that, babes? Still my here again.
You know, so me I come back as a matter of fact, that girl a bright.
No want nothing to kind
That's
of
why I
break
look
with a banana.
misunderstanding.
It's a banana, I no want nothing to break.
Mine pop out, me Yaki Express, you know.
Hello, hi, hello, hi. Oh, God, that's so I saw your brother-in-law live loving.
Yes, we boil good soup.
Oh, what was that, baby father? What's going on here, baby daddy?
Chosen.
Hey,
So when we
Story
get
come
in
to
your
ball.
can't talk. So when you are going so far?
yes,
You know,
no,
say you have a good
Spanish
friend, girl.
tone.
Falan, what go on so can Nick can't talk and you don't
Donkey
have no
turn
mouth.
over and over.
Nick, remember I'm pregnant, you know.
Falan, I know her.
Kiss KY
I
minus
know each other.
plus.
Me don't know her right now because I'm a good friend this time. Me and the girl did a friend. But I want to know what you do so with my friend, which is supposed to be your woman sister. Remember, so I'm pregnant, so what go on
And any more right just say no.
Chosen, hold on.
How
One
long
stop
you
with
want the man?
Chosen.
One stop with one now.
See you with man with you.
Daddy.
My cousin Nick. My cousin happy, my cousin really Nick. Girl, so how long you want a sister, man?
My back, Brad. I'm a half blue boat.
You should have shame.
Shame what?
Shame tree dead. What kind of friend you be?
stand
You want
tall.
your sister, man, and you want your friend, man, and you
stand
know my baby
tall.
father.
Nobody
Oh,
can-
you know I'm a baby father, father. What kind of dirty style that
Nobody
is?
can look me up and down like the banana man. None.
Baby father, what kind of dirty style is that?
Oh, baby father.
You know your sister, your one sister.
Where you don't know what time you all on you?
Right now, my blood pressure go up and I don't want to lose my
Make that blood pressure go up and bust the rest.
girl.
Chosen, relax now, me know you.
The girl a man dirty friend. A long time she wanted.
Hey, so you a clean friend?
Yeah, me a good girl. Me a good
Left,
girl.
right, and center.
What that mean?
Outer
I'm
order.
pregnant.
Listen
I
to
don't want
me.
to stress me out.
Where you don't know what time you all on
I
you?
don't know good girl this year. I don't know good girl, no good
Best
friend.
thing, 99. She a ball for man.
Family, one
Chosen,
good.
I see him bridging this way. Where you and him gonna hug up with you?
Cockafat.
Bro,
I'm a cousin.
bro. Me blood this, bro. Me
Cousin.
roll it, bro. So yeah, ball, walk on.
When push come to shove, you ear for your family.
Because I'm a baby father, this is what must stress me out. Because you just have to see if I can. It's a girl, I'm a friend, and I just want
Hey,
to
young time family with a big finger, you know.
Have you seen the ball?
You know, do the right call.
Our boxer makes you lose the belly.
Bro, you can't do that, bro. You have to take care of the pussy, you know, bro. She pregnant, you know, bro. You can't do a bar your sister with next man in a charge.
Yeah, man, why you not help mine a puzzle belly?
No, I know me put it in there. I him have to
But
take
you
the
defend it, you
responsibility,
defend
bro.
your
Find
puzzle.
one man for yourself and leave
Bro.
people, man.
Hey, you have to take a man till the man belongs to you. I saw me hear the game go. Oh.
I'm mad them two girls, I'm mad over G, my friend.
About Shabbat over man.
She go on.
But cousin, I'm coming cousin go and good soon.
We are talking about my girl.
No, watch out,
Put
yeah,
yourself
you
in
got
a
to
problem.
put strength in
No,
the
baby,
tight for
you
me.
can't do that, cuz.
I'm being cousin. I'm a tough fuck yo.
You can't do that, brother.
Alright, BS, come on, you hear? Come on, cause we don't young rice when you hot, you know. We don't young rice when you hot, babe.
Alright.
My granny teach you better than that. You see?
Go on in there.
Empty barrel make it most nice.
Go on in there, boss.
Come on.
Left a place there. Right, Chosen, make sure your cousin do everything.
Alright. Don't see a king set here. What?
Cousin, you know, so I lift me and I lift up for you, so make sure you're good in the man, here.
Yeah, cause me good,
Yeah,
just
man.
mess up yourself.
Yeah, man, stop it crying here. Yeah, man, bless up here.
What here? Shot. How are you?
You look a dirty girl. You look a dirty girl. You look a dirty girl. Me can't be say girl do me that. Mr. Falan man greedy and man hungry and man everything he, the girl want the man. She want the man for herself. Her sister don't take the man and I'm my ex-man. And the girl just want in her midst of everything all behind my back and me tell the girl everything and the girl not tell me everything. Nonsense. No, my heart. I'm tired. Go. You can't get one.
So you say you let me off?
Hold on, I can't stop at the gate. One your sister say.
As I'm feel say you turn for let me have rest of a turn back for go home.
Hold on, I can't stop at the gate. I don't want no more problem. I don't see what's going on already.
Where you know 10 years old and you know?
Where I talk about now for that?
Me tell you something tell you, but you never give me the time of day to tell you.
Well, you have time now, you can't tell me.
She's not pregnant. She's just playing with you.
Oh, you know that?
You know hear what I say? Amazon the girl buy belly pan. Right now she soon buy her next size belly.
Yeah,
She buy the first size
you have
and
to
she
prove
soon go
that.
a medium
You have
and
to
she
prove
soon
that
go
to me.
large.
You have to prove
If
that
you not
to me.
take Eid.
Eid. I don't know name so. Get your
Alright.
Are your friend call
Call
her?
her, you call her and ask her.
Me fi call her. Are you fi call her or for your friend?
Me not have no credit.
Look on the time now, but I wear that the one day. I hope on a smarty man she gonna fool around then now in a car. I know she not good enough to look a man for herself. All she do is walk and take people, man, same like how she have eyes pan for me. You know what? Even though I ain't nothing with her, I go look if me see her. Bad for bad.
Me not in the hiding no more. This is official.
Well, yeah, if you just do it brawling and done.
Me brawling, me bowl, you blind. And you are going hide and seek with me.
No,
Tap beat round the bush and tell the girl what time it is.
That the little giant tough girl there. Gone out of yard from so long.
Fallon, that you want.
Bro, look for me so far and tell me that.
Come on, way for that you want brawling in front of sister.
Me no want my money share, you know. Me no want my, sure. Me no want my money share.
Fallon, the money I worry about. The money is your problem.
Me no want the love share either.
The money your first name or a middle name.
Matter of fact, me not sharing my man.
Me can't stop you from doing you want to brawling. And you are do your thing, you know. You see me? But anything I get.
Me no know what you gonna do with that the one day that the bombastic side here one day, you know.
What you talk about, Fallon?
Oh, that is trash. You see my sister? She a Jezebel. Not sure she should go on like a goody two shoe. Oh.
What Jezebel?
What the Jesus Christ! Me feel there with me sister. Why?
Where you run, God Almighty? Sister, you know say you're not about to be. You're not go. Where you want go? You know what?
Why?
You're not left. Sister. No. I want to go on yourself. You know what?
Let me go now. Let me go.
Between me and you.
This a child got my brain.
Let me go.
Let me say a bad mind.
Let me go. Forget the man for yourself. Watch me. And this is what you do.
I know say my mind. You see you?
Try me now. I see if you want bet you not see about this. Try me now.
My girl, the school no man all the misunderstanding going on.
No, try me. You know good. The man for yourself.
Calm down, man. We can't explain,
man.
man.
Explain what me now. You don't need that to explain. Let go for me. You don't need that to explain. Watch out now. Listen, man. Me now want you explain nothing right now. Me deaf to what you say. You see that little hanky-panky dolly business, yeah? Stay far from me.
Tell me where we stand.
Tell you.
My two puppy show ya.
As long as you live, see me and don't see me.
Give
There's
shot,
nothing.
like
You see how you... Wait till the wall.
Oh, it's a journey, but that's how you go. I could just bear my losses and go on. Better me left him man with the woman in a yoke. Sometimes I see man with the woman and take a problem. And leave us low you. Come could have lost my life, eh?
Now go where you said that the one day, saying tough and sitting. Come, load them up, mad snatcher. You are a relationship crusher. I can't survive because of you.
See you now coming out yard.
I'm a runner, I'm a track star. Veronica Campbell, I'm a sister. Merlin Atty, I'm a cousin. Usain Bolt to the world.
No, let me see how long you go sit down out there. Come here, flat out your face tonight with that big stone here. Let me see where you go sleep. You like a man snatcher you.
With me, man.
You can't take a man for yourself now.
What is garbage to you is treasure to me. As I dash him out, me take him out.
Come in the yard. You're up and down like, watch me and you. Watch me and you, because you have to get that big stone you're falling. And as long as you live, your life go miserable. Me come like a fatty cut sticks in your life. Remember me tell you that, girl. And I not take, me go take none of the little idiot man them where you go have, you know. But me just go make your life miserable, miserable hell.
All of the money they want to spend for you, have to spend for me.
I big stone, you afraid of. Sister, me put down a big stone, come in the yard. Let me beat you to sickness. You see when me done beat you, you go grow tall. Watch me and you, girl.
Oh, Joseph, come in, boss. Left on the road, man. Come in, boss.
So where you attack Mr. Ruffer? Where you going
come in, boss.
So where you going so far?
What kind of style am I chosen, eh? Eh, boy, Yeah, but I can't hold up no belly like you can trick me after your friend and plan to take off money off of me. What kind of style is
What
it?
kind of style you mean by French? You can't take. What you mean by that?
Yeah, me say, I saw no man wicked.
Wicked with what?
Jesus.
Look how far me, see if I'm all of them girls come in their life in a
Joseph, if you're a breed, prove it to me. Prove it to me say you're a breed, Joseph. Your friend tell me say you're not a breed. Eh? I make you no make up and I try to take money off of me. What kind of style is Joseph in a box? Man, the box set up, you know.
Alright, just
Yo,
alright, wait,
Joseph,
let me explain. Let me
want back
explain.
all of my money.
Alright, let me explain. I'm call the girl and prove something. I explain. Wait, no.
Make sure.
I never my idea be. I never my
your
I never
idea.
my idea. True, but I never my idea.
Never
Look,
your idea.
I did the girl idea. I'm call and put it on
About
speaker
tie up
and prove to you.
your-
Stop now. Your
about-
phone a ring. Your
about
phone a
tie up
ring. Nick, your phone a ring. Okay, fair enough.
Want
Prove
back
to you
all of
now.
my money.
Your girl, your phone.
What this a? Cho. Hello. Cho. I'm from put on my ears, you know. Hello. Girl, what?
Girl, you know, say you don't have no style, girl.
You have style, you have manners. What you have? You don't even have a dash. You don't even have a look comma. Can't come to me, come dainty.
You know, what's the problem?
Fella, you know, see a wicked girl.
You can't style, you don't get
Girl, how you move so greedy, girl? And me and you plan this, and me and you plan this, and you give me idea, so you make me take some money and find man and tell him I'm pregnant. And you move greedy, girl.
Remember, say your idea.
It no matter. Well, he crash. He mash up. He dolly house done. My dolly house just start.
Hey,
Well, me now, but I collect.
Yo.
I even now go back to collect either. Do what we have to do.
You're too greedy, girl.
hey, fella, you see how you see how uno woman.
Nick, a lie she tell her here. A lie she tell. Don't believe a word in English, Japanese, or Chinese, what she say. Sure. I say, come here, my sister, a problem now. Sure. This is a problem in my life. I don't know what me I go do.
Hey, Joseph, hang up the phone. I know say I kill me if you kill one now. Eh?
But Nick, me sorry, but I know my fault. Me
I know
really,
your
really
fault.
sorry. But Nick, me and you come from far, you treat me bad, you pick up new girl and show off for me.
Joseph, right now, I feel
And
like
me really, really want to help Nick. Me sorry, just
I want
never
back
bother
all
with
of, I
you.
want back all of my money.
Nick, just relax. I don't have the money and you left me for foolishness, Nick. As I say, I never my idea with the money and the pregnancy. And you left me for foolishness because the man when you think say me and him involved, I'm a cousin, you say I'm a family that day. You just really check for me. You're too jealous and me could have there how far now, Nick. Stop it, man. I'm really, really sorry, but don't get upset for me, please. Just forgive me.
That's true, man, but Chosen, you're not breed Chosen. Eh?
Well, you know we can't work on things or something, you know, like, we don't have no money to give you back.
I forgot to breed for true right now, you're not Chosen. That's it. Yeah, I forgot to grow in a yard and we make one. Or two. That'll be three.
No,
Just
sir, that sounds too much. One
that
son,
we know,
one
sir,
we
no.
can work on, but no, nobody with the 2 and the 3 and the 4. So all of this
Sir,
to take for me, if you go back and look how long I want to back and run it down.
Yeah, your friend them just a plan to take the money. So if my
I'm
plan
really,
to
really
take 3
sorry
pick me
about
out
that.
of you, you know, say nothing, you know.
Alright, sir, I'm not going to say I'm sorry. Thank you for forgiving.
Really forgive me yet still, you know, because
They work,
you have
they
a
work,
tough heart, you know. Still.
Yeah, man, I mean, I say big up all my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, say a tax and what they represent for Talk Up TV. One, I watch you know. You're watching, I'm going to enjoy the finale to win my option. All of the episodes, them epic, you understand? Yeah, man, so I want to big up everybody. Where they are from there, want to support the thing. Yeah, man, peace of our respect. Continue to support the thing, you understand? I want you all to know that we have some equipment challenge. This movie was edited 2 times because of computer problem. But we they are the right and we still a push through to make you get the movie, them, you understand? So watch out now. Happy New Year when they come. Peace of our respect. We see you.